The tech tool that I'm going to be talking about today is Flipgrid. I'm going to show you an example of one that I was in for class, and then I'm going to show you how to create one for your class. This is a topic that we did in my seed class. So basically your grid is just your class. That's me. This is just a board that asked us to do an introduction and talk about what your 6 meaningful math numbers are. So basically this is all of my class's videos we had to post, and so like if you wanted to watch one, we'll just watch mine so it don't be weird. But it comes up and it starts playing, and if you want to reply, you click this button and you actually are able to record your response, and you just record and post, and then it will ask you to take a picture like these for your thumbnail, which is this. And if you are trying to tell your students how to use it, you just tell them to read the explanation and then click the big green X and you can record your response. From a teacher's point of view, this is just an account that I set up. This is an example class, so a grid is called a class. This is, I called it language arts class too. And then all you do is you add a new topic, and that's what they'll see as their project. So I just created an introduction one. You can put like a picture here or something, and you just put what it's called and what to do, and they are able to record their response. And you can share this code with them, and they'll click on it and it'll bring them right to this page. If you share this code with them, it brings them to the class and they can see all of the topics. So if you do multiple projects or multiple discussion boards. So let me just go over how to create one. You just go to My Grids and you can add a new grid for each class, and then you just go into the separate classes and press add new topic. You put the title, you put what you want them to do, and you can put the recording time on there. So yeah, it's super simple and it's great to get kids talking because they're more used to talking on camera and on Snapchat and social media than they are standing in front of their class, and it's less stressful, but it's a good way to hear their views on things. So thank you for watching.